What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. So OnePlus is rolling out a new update for OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro which is based on stable version of OxygenOS 13. In this video, let's find out what all changes OnePlus have done, and we'll also check whether OnePlus have fixed the issues which were previously present on first stable build. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here I have my OnePlus 9 which is currently running on the latest build of OxygenOS 13, which is the second stable build. If you talk about the version, let me show you. If I go to version, here you can see now the version is f.17. Previously it was f.16. And this comes with 5th November 2022 security patch. The update size wasn't that huge. It's a minor update with some bug fixes, and you can see the size which is 163.56 MB. And guys, there are still users who haven't received the first stable build of OxygenOS 13. Guys, we are not sure when you'll exactly get the OT update, but there are no harm updating your device manually. Just download the files given in the description below and perform a local install. To perform local install, you just have to tap build number 7 times once you have placed the file inside internal storage, and then tap update section, tap on these 3 dots, select local install, and you can choose the file to update your device. Once you update to first build, you'll automatically receive the OTA update of f.17, which is second stable build. And guys, before moving ahead, let's keep a like target of 500 likes on this video. We still have 82% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel, but they do watch our videos. So if you guys find our videos helpful to you, do consider subscribing and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. So first, talking about the benchmark results, here we have the results using Geekbench application, wherein single core have scored 1114 and multi-core have scored 3181, and this was done using high performance mode. And I did notice bit of throttling issues here on this latest build, wherein you can see maximum CPU throttled up to 74%, and again this was done using high performance mode. In a review video, we found out issues related to poor RAM management and other issues. So if you guys haven't checked out our review video, make sure to check out before updating your device. In this short period, we cannot find out anything about the RAM management, so you guys let us know whether you want an in-depth review or not on this newer build. If I talk about the first issue which I mentioned in a review video, and that was related to active application. So here on the first build also there were no option of active application, and right now also you can see song is being played, but I don't get to see active application option if I tap on these 3 dots. And another thing which I seriously want OnePlus to fix, and that's related to this transparency of app drawer. With the first stable build, OnePlus completely got this solid color background in the app drawer, and I personally don't like it. I hope in future OnePlus do change this thing to transparent background. Now talking about the change logs, so let me show you the change logs. As I told you guys, it's not a major update. These are the change logs which are related to camera and system. First change log says they did fix some issues related to camera viewfinder towards the right hand side. That's the screenshot taken on the previous build. I had no issues related to the camera viewfinder in none of the modes, but if you guys had, then do let me know in the comment section below, because for me it's exactly same on both the builds. After that, they integrated November security patch and improved system stability and performance. So about system stability and performance, we'll get a fair idea once I start using the device as my primary phone. So as I told you guys, if you guys want a full review, then do let me know in the comment section below. Then they have fixed some time display issues in the quick setting tiles whenever we pull down the quick setting tile. So here also on the previous build, I had no issues. On my device, there were no display issues related to time in the quick setting panel. And at last, they have fixed some NFC payment issues. I personally don't use NFC for payment services, but after this update, I'll test out the NFC and try to make payments using NFC. Let's see. If I face any issues, I'll update you guys in the comment section. So guys, there's nothing much to cover. It was a very minor update of OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro. Rest things I'll update in my review video. If you still have any kind of questions or queries related to this update, do let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. And also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.